The iPhone 15 could carry a periscope lens to offer a real optical zoom. A few years ago, we saw many smartphone manufacturers, like Huawei, launch devices equipped with cameras with very, very powerful zooms. A good example would be Samsung, which offered phones with a 100x zoom that used artificial intelligence to capture images at very large distances without the result being blurred, which is often the case when using digital zoom. Apple would also like to be able to go further in terms of zoom, but not necessarily in digital. The iPhone 15 could carry a periscope lens. The Apple iPhone also has a zoom, but it is far from being as powerful. That could change with the iPhone 15, though. Indeed, if we believe the analyst Jeff Pu of Haitong International Securities in a note that was able to obtain 9 to 5 Mac, the latter believes that the Cupertino firm would have decided to integrate a periscope lens in its iPhone 15 to offer a real optical zoom. This periscope lens would allow the iPhone to have a 5x optical zoom, which would allow users to zoom in on distant objects and get sharp images. Optics is generally preferred to digital because optical zoom ultimately only cuts the image, which inevitably leads to a loss of sharpness and some detail. With such a periscope lens, Apple could therefore create a 5x optical zoom without making the camera module of the device too overweight. That being said, since the iPhone 15 won't launch for a year and a half, it's impossible to know if this information is true. For now, it will only be taken as a mere rumor. And until then, patience. But who knows, maybe we can, with the iPhone 15, enjoy a real good optical zoom. And that would be a very good thing.